Here we are again on cellularemagazine.it, Emilio Vignapiano talking. Today we are with the latest Nokia 5700 XpressMusic. The box has arrived a few minutes ago, and let's see what we have inside. Okay, here is the phone. It's in green. There is also a red version. We have the controller for the music. It's new. It's in white with the jack. We have also the earbone. They are also in white. They are new. They are all in here. And there is a 3.5 jack. The micro SD expansion, 1 GB, branded by Nokia. Then we have the CD with the installation file, and I presume also some music. The charger, the latest one, the micro, and the USB cable. Let's see the phone that has already started. Okay, the phone, it's a quadriband with UMTS. There is Bluetooth that you can see in the main menu. The phone, I think, was of some Nokia manager. There are still appointments. There is Bluetooth. There is no Wi-Fi. The screen is 2.2 of dimension with 60 million of colors. We have also 49 megabytes of ROM inside and 50 megabytes of RAM. There is the expansion, I presume, on this side. Yeah. And the microSD slot to microSD till 2 GB. There is also the jack for the music and the mini USB adapter to connect with the PC. There is the jack here for the music. There on the left side there are the volume commands. Here is the IRDA. There is the alphanumeric keyboard, and as you see, I was the latest version. Here comes the camera. There is turnable. It's a 2.0 megapixel camera with a 4 zoom and a LED flash. But this can be used also for music when it's done in this way. There are the commands, the play, and the other one. It's a smartphone with the Symbian latest edition, the 3rd edition, and let's go inside the menu. Okay. It's very similar to the Nokia N95. Yeah, there are also some games, Mabel and City Block. Okay, you have to turn to use the camera, and when you activate the camera, the button of the play and pause, it's also used to shot. It's working pretty good. There is of course zoom in and zoom out. And as you can see, there is no way to get inside the battery. There is way. There is a classic battery, and there is a slot for the SIM. For Cellulare Magazine, Emilio Vignapiano.